Hey everyone! If you're trying to choose between Trello and ClickUp for project management, you've come to the right place. These two platforms couldn't be more different, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your workflow. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future comparisons like this one. Overview. Trello is a visual project management tool that's laser-focused on Kanban boards. It's built for simplicity, cards, lists, and boards. Perfect for small teams, freelancers, or anyone who wants to get started in literally 5 minutes without a training manual. ClickUp, on the other hand, is an all-in-one productivity powerhouse. It's trying to replace every tool in your stack: task management, docs, chat, time tracking, goals, automation, and more. It's built for teams that need serious customization and don't mind a steeper learning curve. Feature set. Trello keeps it minimal. You get Kanban boards by default. Want calendars, timelines, or dashboards? You'll need the premium plan at $10 per user per month. Even then, Trello relies heavily on PowerUp's third-party add-ons that extend functionality. About 2/3 of these PowerUps cost extra money on top of your subscription. ClickUp gives you everything out of the box. Multiple views, list, board, calendar, Gantt, timeline, workload are all standard. You get native docs, whiteboards, built-in chat, video calls, advanced automation, custom fields, and goal tracking. It's feature-rich to the point where some users say it's almost overwhelming. Winner here? ClickUp, but only if you actually need those features. Ease of use. Trello wins this hands down. The interface is dead simple. Drag a card from to do to done. That's it. New users can start managing projects within minutes without tutorials. It's intuitive, clean, and doesn't throw 47 options at you when you create a task. ClickUp has a notorious learning curve. Yes, it's powerful, but the interface can feel cluttered. You'll spend time configuring workspaces, hierarchies, custom fields, and automation rules before you're productive. Users report longer loading times as projects grow, and some find the abundance of features more distracting than helpful. Winner? Trello, especially for beginners or small teams. Automation. Trello offers Butler automation. It's solid for simple workflows like moving cards automatically or sending notifications. On the free plan, you get 250 automation runs per month. Premium bumps that to unlimited, but it's best suited for single board, lightweight automation. ClickUp's automation is industrial strength. You get 1,000 monthly automation actions on the unlimited plan and 10,000 on the business plan. More importantly, the automation builder is far more sophisticated. You can automate across multiple projects, trigger complex workflows, and integrate with external tools seamlessly. Winner? ClickUp especially for complex multi-team workflows. Pricing and value. Let's talk real numbers. Trello. Free, up to 10 boards, unlimited cards, 1 power-up per board. Standard, $5, user, month unlimited boards, more power-ups. Premium, $10, user, month, all views, unlimited automation. Enterprise, $17.50, user, month, minimum 50 users. Here's the catch. Trello's pricing looks cheap until you start adding paid power-ups. Need Salesforce integration? That's extra. Advanced reporting? Extra. Time tracking? Extra. The base price is low, but you'll likely spend more as you scale. ClickUp, free forever, unlimited users, 100 megabytes storage, basic features. Unlimited, $7, user, month, unlimited storage, Gantt charts, guest with permissions. Business, $12, user, month, advanced reporting, time tracking, everything unlocked. Enterprise, custom pricing. ClickUp's free plan is genuinely generous. Unlimited users is huge, and even the paid plans include features that would cost extra on Trello. ClickUp AI costs an additional $7 user month if you need it. Winner? ClickUp for value. You get way more features per dollar. Trello, if you just need bare bones boards. Performance and reliability. Trello is fast and lightweight. It loads quickly, rarely lags, and doesn't crash. This is because it does less. ClickUp can be slower, especially as your workspace grows with hundreds of tasks and custom configurations. Users report occasional bugs, loading delays, and notification issues. The platform updates constantly, which is good for features, but can introduce instability. Winner? Trello for speed and reliability. Integrations. Trello integrates with 200 plus power-ups, including Slack, Google Drive, Jira, and Dropbox. The Atlassian ecosystem makes Trello particularly strong if you're already using Jira or Confluence. ClickUp has 50 plus native integrations and over 1,000 through Zapier. It connects with everything from Slack to GitHub to Salesforce. Plus, ClickUp's API is more robust for custom integrations. Winner? ClickUp more flexible and powerful integrations. Who should use what? Choose Trello if you want something you can learn in 10 minutes. Your team is small, under 10 people. You love visual Kanban boards. You don't need complex reporting or dependencies. You're managing simple projects or personal tasks. Speed and simplicity matter more than features. Choose ClickUp if you need an all-in-one workspace. Your projects are complex, with dependencies and multiple teams. You want advanced automation and custom workflows. You need built-in time tracking, docs, and goals. You're willing to invest time in setup and training. You want to replace multiple tools with one platform. So here's the bottom line. Trello is the simple visual tool for straightforward project management. It's fast, easy, and perfect if you don't need bells and whistles. ClickUp is the Swiss Army knife. It can do almost everything, but you'll pay for that power with complexity and a learning curve. If you're a freelancer, small team, or just want to organize tasks visually, Trello is your best bet. If you're scaling a business, managing multiple projects, and need serious customization, ClickUp will serve you better in the long run. That's it for today's comparison. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. I've linked both platforms in the description below, so you can try them yourself. Both have free plans, so there's zero risk. See you in the next one.